We are still on the bypass road. We turned around, came back the other direction just to clear it up. We were going southwest or southeast. We were walking southeast before, where I said southwest. No, we were going southeast. Now we're back the opposite direction, coming up on Highway 307. So right now we are on the west outskirts of Alamino City. So we're gonna come up here and take a right and kind of finagle our way back into town, and then get back on our neighborhood road that goes to our house and our little walk, I guess. So yeah, Bunny, take a left. Honda, take a left. Holy Now, take a left. Right at the road we're coming up to, or the highway, I should say. Alamino City, take a right. Let me see what else is on the right. A bunch of other towns, Swall, Labrador, eventually Dagupan. For now, we're just gonna start making our way back into town, and to the street we live on. So right now I'm facing Alamino City. As you can see, the traffic coming out, it's a little bit heavy. Really not too bad, I guess. There's a little jeepney stand, bus stand, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, as I was saying before, 30 days. It's been 30 days since I got here. I have been gone just over 15 months. That's how long I was gone. I was supposed to be back a hell of a lot sooner, but of course, due to the pandemic, I ended up staying in the States much longer than I had planned. But I'm here now. This Philippines is not open for tourists. You cannot come over here on a tourist visa. You will not get into the country. The only way I made it in here is because I was married, and it just so happens I had the original marriage certificate with me when I left 15 months ago. So that was kind of a blessing because I needed it when I came back here. The immigration at the airport at Cebu, the immigration officers at Cebu asked for that certificate, original. They wanted to see the original. I don't know, maybe a copy would have sufficed, but I'm just glad I had the original, so there was no hassle. In addition to that, I needed to have a copy of her passport, photocopy, which is really no big deal. Just get a photocopy. They wanted to see that because they wanted to document her passport ID number. So, photocopy of her passport, certified copy of the marriage certificate, original. I would, like I said, a copy of it, a regular photocopy or whatever might have worked, but I would not take the chance. If you can, you know, if for anybody out there who's married to a Filipino, can, you know, just try to have the original. Let me see what else. I went to my doctor at the VA in Minnesota and got a health clearance, medical clearance, and the only reason why I did that is to show the checkpoint guards. When we were traveling from Manila up here to Pangasinan, we went through at least 2 checkpoints, and that medical clearance was something that I showed the guards at the checkpoints to let them know that I was healthy. Oh, and also I had to show them the COVID-19 test results that I had received in Cebu. my negative results. So the copy of my results, which which you would be furnished, which they would furnish you once you get your negative test results. Anyways, that and my medical clearance from my physician back in the States. So yeah, we're coming in. Oh, street food. Yeah. Try to do this without killing ourselves here. Hey! So anyways, damn dog wants to go on the tricycle. What's that?
I don't know that somebody's selling fish over here.
Oh. I tell you, this dog is about as dumb as a box of rocks. She's got a good heart, but she's not very bright. Oh. Dumb as a bag of hammers. So there you have it, the sights and sounds of Alamino City as we enter the west end of town. Okay, so here we are coming down Dempai Street, and this is the final stretch. This road, if we go back, look back that way, that's Alamino City right up there. And we're coming around to the final stretch on our way back to the house. So, I don't know who he was talking to, but anyways. So this is our this is kind of our neighborhood. Getting closer. Hear the roosters? Yeah. A lot of trike traffic through here. A lot of tricycles. And scooters. I think we're gonna get rain soon. Huh? Yeah. Frickin' knees are still killing me. See all the trikes. Trikes. So, oh yeah, I forgot to mention. When's the curfew around here, hon?
8 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
8 o'clock p.m. to 5 o'clock in the morning. Supposedly. Well.
You know this way or
Pardon me?
she knows this way.
Oh yeah, she knows where she's going now. So yeah, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Kind of get your little bit of martial law effect going. So, which really doesn't bother me. We're always in by then anyways. We're sliming around, laying on our recliners, watching movies, stuffing our face full of crap food and soda. Who was that? Oh, is that Mac? Okay, that's our neighbor. Just drove by. So yeah, it's really, you know, it's really different here. For those who have never been to the Philippines, I'm sure there's going to be some people watching this that either live here in the Philippines or have seen or visited. But this is gives you a little different perspective. Is that Mac again? No. little different perspective for those who...
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, we know this kid.
Your bra JJ is out.
Hey. Too late.
Bye-bye, ate. Naglakad kami dun sa bangka.
Already on camera.
Bye-bye. Sorry, nag-ano siya eh.
Anyways, neighborhood kids.
She never told me about the barging.
No.
Just now she put down
So, I think these kids are playing like hacky sack up here.
we call that.
And a guitar. Hey, all right. Got a guitar. Oh, that's kind of like a hacky sack. Not quite.
Sepak takraw.
What is it?
Sepak takraw.
Separate. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I take a stab at pronouncing that one. So, anyways, when we started our walk, we started down there on the corner. See the girl in the green shirt walking down there by the tricycles? That's where I started recording, and that's where we started our walk. Now we just basically did a big circle. There's a sorry store that we were at the other day, and that's about it. We're home now, so we're gonna go inside and chill out. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay guys, we're back from our walk. Getting ready to walk inside the house, cook some dinner, and wait for the rain. So once again, thanks a lot. Everything's going great over here, and look forward to seeing you again soon. All right, bye-bye.